Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to use Pictory to generate captivating YouTube shorts. So I will be on my Pictory website and make sure you will have logged in, and for the shorts you will just simply tap on it, the first one, text to video, and I will just tap on it, and right over here you will just paste a script. So I will just use it, the chat GPT, to generate script with short. So I will just paste it here, and I will just tap on it, and you will just have to wait for it save changes. So when it's done you will just tap on it, proceed. So please wait while the video storyboard is being created. So it's create a video in a minute. So right over here the video is complete. So from here you will just choose the scene right over here, and you will just if I just tap on it, this one, and I will just want to play it. So you will just choose the scenes from here, and you will just also change the landscape. I will just tap on it, and make sure you will just choose the portrait, which is 9 by 16, which is YouTube shorts. So I will just convert it from here, and when you just convert it from here you will just tap to play it and wait for the scene preview. So when it's preparing scene preview done, and after you will just have to play it.
Mountains, nature's towering wonders, calling adventurers to explore their heights.
So in this way you will just use Pictory to generate captivating YouTube shorts. So hope this video helped you. Please don't forget to like and subscribe and get notified for more videos.